Personal pronouns. Pronoun that stand in a place of a person or a thing are called personal pronoun. It stand in a place of a person or a thing. That called personal pronoun. Forms of personal pronouns. First person, they refer to the speaker. Speaker, those who speaking something. Right now I am the speaker. Singular I, me, plural we, us for both masculine and feminine gender. Second person refer to the person being spoken to, जिसके साथ बातचीत कर रहे हैं. Singular you, plural you, both masculine and feminine gender. Third person refer to the person being spoken about, जिसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Masculine gender for male he him, feminine gender for female she her, neuter gender it its, masculine feminine neuter gender they them. We told her to visit our doctor as soon as possible. We is here first person and her is third person. So first person and third person. Raphael is at the La Tomatina festival, filling the blanks in his story with personal pronoun. Here is short story about La Tomatina festival. What is La Tomatina festival? Here is short note. Look at here. The La Tomatina festival happened in the city of Bunol. City of Bunol में ये होता है. It a tomato fight. People from all over the world go there to participate. This is a tomato fight and people from all over the world go there to participate. पूरे world से लोग जाते हैं participate करने के लिए. Exercise C and D will send you the PDF. Reflexive pronoun. We use reflexive pronoun to show that the doer and the receiver of the action is the same person. Doer means the person who does something, and receiver the person who receives something. It means those who does and receive the action is the same person. Narcissus looked at himself in the stream. So Narcissus is doer and receiver is himself. So receiver and doer of the action both is same person. Pronouns that show that the subject and the object are the same person or thing are known as reflexive pronouns. First person singular I, myself. Plural we, ourselves. Second person singular plural both you, yourself, yourselves. Third person singular plural he, she, it, they, himself, herself, itself, themselves. Relative pronoun. Relative pronoun are used to refer back to a noun or pronoun in a sentence. They are also used to join sentence. Who, whom, whose, which, that are relative pronoun. It means relative pronoun are used to refer back to noun or pronoun. But it also used to join the sentence. It means here is some word need to join the sentence. The woman is a doctor. She writes story for little children. So the woman who writes stories, who writes stories for little children is a doctor. So who, whom, whose, which, that are relative pronouns. And they are also used to join the sentence. Indefinite pronoun. Pronoun that refer to people or thing without saying exactly who or what. They are called indefinite pronoun. It means it refer to the people or thing but didn't say anything that who or what. Everyone made toys for the exhibition. Everyone. They used anything that was considered waste. It means everyone made toys. Didn't say who, that particular person. And they used anything that was considered waste. और वो कोई भी वेस्ट सामान है उससे टॉयज बना सकते हैं. कोई भी कुछ भी वेस्ट से बना सकता है. Okay. So here didn't mention any particular person, name or anything. That is called indefinite pronoun. Singular to refer the people. One, another, anybody, anyone, each, either, everybody, everyone, neither, nobody, no one, somebody, someone. To refer to the object. anything, everything, neither, either, nothing, something. Verb is has. To refer to people मतलब किसी इंसान की ओर. To refer to the object किसी चीज की ओर. Plural all, both, few, many, others, several, some, none, most. Both, few, many, others, several, some, none, most. Are, have. So I hope you all understand. Okay, thank you.